Welcome to the world of woodworking, where you can bring your creative ideas to life by working with wood. In this video, we will guide you through the basics of woodworking, starting with essential tools and techniques that every woodworker should know. Before you begin any woodworking project, it's important to have the right tools. We'll explore the essential tools you'll need in your woodworking arsenal, such as a tape measure, chisels, handsaw, power drill, and more. We'll discuss their uses and how to choose the best quality tools for your woodworking needs. To create stunning woodworking projects, it's crucial to understand the different types of wood and their grain patterns. We'll delve into the characteristics of popular wood types like oak, pine, and cherry. Additionally, we'll explain how to identify and work with the various grain patterns to enhance the beauty of your projects. Building a solid foundation of woodworking techniques is essential for success. We'll demonstrate fundamental techniques like measuring and marking, cutting, sanding, and assembling. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, these techniques will help you create precise and professional-looking woodworking projects. Woodworking involves working with sharp tools and powerful machinery, which can be hazardous if not done safely. We'll provide you with essential safety tips and best practices to ensure you stay safe throughout your woodworking journey. From wearing the right protective gear to working in a well-ventilated area, we'll cover everything you need to know to prevent accidents and injuries. Congratulations! You now have a solid understanding of woodworking essentials. Armed with the right tools, knowledge of wood types and grain, essential techniques, and safety practices, you're ready to embark on your woodworking adventures. Stay tuned for more woodworking tips and project ideas in our upcoming videos.